start. During the course of cross-examination of PW1, the boundaries and description of the suit schedule, property and ownership of the defendants over the same are elicited by the counsel for the defendants. He has further stated that, defendants 1 and 2 agreed to sell the suit schedule property as they were in need of money in the year 1995, full stop, but, the plaintiff has not produced any material before the court to prove the same, full stop. PW1 has also admitted that all the revenue records in respect of the suit schedule property stand in the name of the defendants, and this unequivocal admission makes it crystal clear that the possession of the suit property continued with the defendants and possession was not delivered to the plaintiff as contended by the defendants, full stop. The admission of PW1 that he came to know about the sale made by the defendants under stop.